Hi, my name is Kimberly and I am one of the Deputy Lead Volunteers for Wellies and Wristbands 2020. So I guess that means I am going to do the 2021 slot instead. We're really sad that we can't have a weekend where we're all together at either Foxley's or Waddo, but instead we've got a lovely weekend of some online content for you. So hopefully we can bring a little bit of Wellies and Wristbands to your home. I am going to be making some campfire snacks, so I've chosen some chocolate bananas as they are my favourite. So for your chocolate bananas you will need a banana, you'll need a knife to cut it with, some tin foil that you'll wrap it in, and then you'll need whatever toppings you want to go in your banana. So you can choose whatever you like, but sort of the rule of thumb is something melty, something crunchy and something sticky. So I've gone for a s'mores theme. So I've got some biscuits, some marshmallows and some chocolate buttons. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to slice open my banana and I'm going to poke all my toppings inside. I'm going to wrap it all in tin foil and then I'm going to pop it on my barbecue to warm up and get things nice and hot and yummy and sticky and melty. If you don't have a barbecue to hand, that's fine. You can do this in the oven. You would do exactly the same thing except preheat your oven to 180 degrees and then put your foil wrapped banana into your oven and cook it for about 25 minutes so it goes all nice and warm and squishy. Okay, so now I'm going to get ready to stuff my banana. If you are using some sharp knives and you're not confident, make sure that there is somebody nearby that can help you. And the same goes for using the oven or a barbecue. You want to make sure there's someone there to help keep you safe. And of course, only choose things that you normally eat and nothing that you are allergic to. So first of all, I'm going to just carefully slice my banana, going very gently about halfway through, and then I'll just prise it open like this so you can get a nice gap in the middle. Then I'm going to cut my marshmallows because they are a little bit big, so I'm just going to cut those up. And I'm going to break up my biscuits too. Yum. So I'll have 2 biscuits in there. So my banana is peeled and open, so I'm going to just put in some biscuits and some marshmallows and my chocolate buttons. You can also put some chocolate down the side of the skin here so it gets chocolate all melted all around. Don't worry if it all pops out because you'll wrap it all up together and push it in nice and tight. And once your banana is nice and stuffed full, you're going to open up your tin foil and you're going to wrap it up like a little parcel. So bring your tin foil together at the top and just roll it down and seal up the ends just like this. And so then this is ready to go onto your barbecue for about 15 minutes or into your oven at 180 degrees for about 20 minutes. You will want to make sure that you're using some tongs to put it on and off the barbecue and some oven gloves if it's going into the oven, of course. Okay, so my barbecue is nice and hot now, so it's just time for me to add my banana. Make sure that there's an adult nearby who can watch you and help you if you need to. You'll definitely need some tongs to put it onto the barbecue with because you don't want to get your hands near the barbecue itself. So I'll just pop that on. And that will cook for about 15 minutes. I'll cook it for about half the time and then I will turn it over and cook it on the other side. So I will check back in with you when I have got my cooked banana. Okay, so it's been about 15 minutes, so I'm going to carefully take my banana off the barbecue and pop it onto this tray and just give it a couple of minutes to cool down. Make sure that you get an adult to help you with that transition. So I've opened up my banana and it's all soft and gooey and cooked inside. My marshmallows and chocolate have melted and I'm going to get a fork and enjoy. So once your banana is cool enough for you to eat, grab your fork and tuck in. Don't forget to share what you've made using the hashtag Wellies and Wristbands so that we can see what it is that you get up to. Reminds me of camps. Hope you all have a lovely weekend.